REHUB Specialist, KERATIN multi-level technology, new strength and beauty for damaged hair. REHUB Specialist is a powerful and professional treatment for the instant repair of damaged hair, with a strengthening and regenerating action. REHUB Specialist acts on different levels. Level 1. Instantly generates new multiple bonds within the hair fiber, performing an anti-breakage action and repairing the fiber from the inside, fortifying it and restoring body. Level 2. Performs an external smoothing and long-lasting sealing action on the cuticle and split ends, restoring the hair's original structure. Level 3. It enhances the shine of the regenerated hair with a thermo-protective anti-frizz action and velvety finishing effect. The high performance of REHUB Specialist formulas is based on powerful, natural active ingredients that act in progressive combination with keratins and argan oil. In 3 simple steps, REHUB Specialist allows a targeted and immediate action on damaged hair, with deep regeneration through the formation of new internal bonds, transforming the quality and appearance of the hair by sealing the cuticle and split ends, restoring body and integrity for stronger-looking hair that's resistant to breakage and exceptionally soft and shiny. The treatment. Before proceeding with the treatment, perform the hair elasticity test. Step 1. Rebuilding filler. The instant anti-breakage reconstruction filler penetrates the hair fiber and strengthens it, generating new multiple bonds. Thanks to its action, it repairs damaged hair, restoring body and the resistance of healthy hair. Wash and towel dry the hair, then separate it into sections. Apply rebuilding filler onto each single lock starting from the root, then gently massage, making the hair slip through your fingers, working your way to the ends. Leave it to act from 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the degree of damage to the hair fiber. At the end of the processing time, rinse with warm water and proceed with Step 2. Step 2. Regenerating treatment. Seals the cuticle and split ends with a long-lasting smoothing action. The treatment offers buoyancy and extreme softness without weighing down the hair, restoring the damaged hair fiber to its healthy condition. On carefully towel-dried hair, apply regenerating treatment on the lengths and tips, massaging individual locks and focusing on the most damaged areas. Leave it to act from 10 to 20 minutes, depending on the degree of damage to the hair fiber. At the end of the processing time, rinse with warm water and proceed with Step 3. Step 3. Finisher oil. Featuring an anti-frizz action, the Thermo-protective Perfectioner oil offers a special and unique velvety finish, extraordinarily highlighting the hair's shine. On carefully towel-dried hair, pour a few drops of finisher oil onto the palm of your hand and spread evenly on the lengths and tips. Then proceed to style without rinsing. The powerful keratin reconstruction treatment REHUB Plus offers an immediately visible and lasting result. Hair appears regenerated and remains extra shiny even after subsequent washing. REHUB Specialist can be used not only for a total reconstruction, but also to restore body and volume and to protect lightening, preserving a bright and intense color. REHUB Plus Specialist. High strengthening and anti-breakage action. Powerful, long-lasting sealing action on split ends. Extraordinary shine. Active color protection.